not a bad looking sunset out there. Temperatures didn't warm as much as expected in Fargo, but just out to the west, we did enjoy some nice warm conditions. Here's a look at what we have going on across our area as we head into our evening out at Hector International. That temperature 33 degrees. That's been the high so far today. Mostly cloudy skies and a south-southeast wind, only 6 miles per hour. So it's not unpleasant out there. It just doesn't have that nice warm feel. And they still are near 40 degrees in Jamestown at 39, 38 in Sisseton. That cool pool of air, though, pretty much steady. Now 36 in the Devil's Lake area, but Grand Forks, you have 31, 30 in Thief River Falls, and mid and upper 20s across central Minnesota as we head into the evening. This is a look at the Minnesota Department of Transportation view of St. Vincent up there just in the northwest corner. So some snow, enough to cover the roads, taking place there. Here's a look at that batch of snow on the radar as we take you in northeast parts of North Dakota near Walhalla, Cavalier, Langdon, spreading into the Hallock area, as well as some flakes showing up on the Highway 2 corridor not far from the Fisher and Crookston areas this evening. So passing light flakes of snow, very little accumulation, but could be some slippery spots as this batch of moisture works its way south. We have more unsettled weather upwind from us, and that's going to keep us, well, dancing as we go through the weekend with a little bit of everything in the forecast. Take a look at this. This evening, this snow shower activity spreads off to the east and will be fairly quiet. As we head to bed, temperatures stay almost steady to just slowly falling. We'll be in the mid-20s. That's about where we are right now in parts of central Minnesota as we rise and shine on our weekend, and we'll be near 30 down in southeast North Dakota as we begin our weekend. Now, the first part of the day still cloudy, and we will continue to see temperatures on the warm side to the south and west, still cold to the north and east. So we kind of have this diagonal line running through our region. We're going to get a weather system that will slide along that boundary, providing some mixed precipitation. Now, if you're in the south, you could see some light showers of rain, and that could cause some slippery conditions. The best chance of precipitation begins in the midday hour and heads into the afternoon. That will glide through the region. We do have a chance of some rain or snow here in the FM area for afternoon and early evening. And if you happen to be out in the Monticello area, cheering on the Spuds and heading back tomorrow from a state football game there, or watching your hometown football team, you may run into a little bit of light snow. It shouldn't be traumatic. It's not going to be a lot. We're talking an inch or less in most locations, but there could be a renegade slippery spot on area roads as we go through your Saturday afternoon and evening. By the latter part of the day, the north winds pick up. It gets gusty, and that'll usher in some chilly air for the close of our weekend. For Saturday, though, we start out unchilly, near 30. We'll see temperatures rise into the mid-30s for your day. It'll be in the midday hour and into the early afternoon and early evening when we'll have the best chance at seeing some mixed precipitation that will change over to snow as we go into the nighttime hours. For Fargo, I think under a half of an inch of snowfall. 27 tomorrow afternoon in Langdon with the cold air already having arrived there. 28 Thief River Falls for your afternoon. Still holding on to upper 30s down south, but that will change for everybody on Sunday. Hey, here's a great shot, Upper Cormorant Lakes area. Thanks, Casey, for sharing a very colorful fall photo there. And here's a look at your bison forecast. 35 in Fargo, falling temperatures throughout Sunday with 20s. Then we rise and shine on Monday with a cold proposition. Temperatures for most will be in the teens. And some single digits to near 0 degree readings as we head into your Tuesday. So all in all, next week looking cold. Now, there is a 38 on there on Friday, and there is a chance of some sunshine in the forecast as well. But our below average weather continues.
Okay.
Remember, below average is good in things like golf.
Yeah. Okay.
Keep that in mind.
I'm convinced.
Okay.
Thanks, Hutch.
Yeah.